Let's talk about chronic disorganization. I'm Alison Lush, certified professional organizer in chronic disorganization. I'm going to briefly mention 5 things about chronic disorganization and then 10 quick strategies for a person to use to make progress. First, the definition of chronic disorganization, or CD, according to the Institute for Challenging Disorganization. CD is not a diagnosis, but a description of a situation, and there are 3 elements in the definition. First, the person has been experiencing disorganization for a long time. Typically, people tell me it's been as long as they can remember. Second, the person has tried and tried to improve their organization without lasting success. And third, the kind of disorganization we're talking about here, it affects a person's daily quality of life, and it's disorganization that matters. There are consequences. Second, I'd like to quickly mention that chronic disorganization and hoarding disorder are not the same thing. What does chronic disorganization look and feel like? It's a lack of functionality in the person's life. It may feel chaotic. The individual may feel overwhelmed with the management of their belongings, their space, their energy, their time, and their focus. Number 4, how does disorganization occur? ICD has a free tool available for download from our website called Factors Associated with Disorganization. It's a list of over 70 factors which can contribute to disorganization, and they fall into 3 categories: brain-based conditions, beliefs about yourself and your possessions, and situational causes of disorganization. It's an amazing tool, and it can be very insightful for you to have a look at it and think about your own situation. And the last descriptive comment that I'll make here is that CD is very common. Many people are affected by chronic disorganization, but you might not know it to look at them. Some people hide it very well, and sometimes it's just more discreet in someone else's life. Now let's talk about what we can do about chronic disorganization. First of all, be curious. One of the main reasons a person experiences CD is because popular logic-based solutions are often not helpful. We need personalized solutions, and therefore curiosity is an amazingly powerful strategy. Number 2, experiment. Reduce the pressure to find the solution by saying, I'm going to try doing this and see how it works for me, and then I'll pay attention to the results. Not only is it really helpful for folks who tend to be perfectionist, the experimentation mindset helps us notice what works and what does not work for us. Third strategy, nurture a good enough mindset. Aim for functionality. Number 4, include the emotions. A logic-based strategy would base the decision to keep or let go of an item on when was the last time it was used, for example. But many people are emotionally connected to their belongings, and a logic-based approach is often useless. Allow the emotional components to be part of your equation. You'll make a lot more progress. Number 5, develop routines for maintenance tasks. We all have basic maintenance tasks to do, like dishes and laundry and putting our things away. When we don't attend to these basic maintenance tasks, the problems build up, and then it becomes really difficult for people living with chronic disorganization to deal with these collections of clutter and piles of stuff. The best strategy is to keep on top of it. Reset the kitchen, reset the living room, reset the table surfaces as often as feels necessary or is helpful for you. Number 6 strategy, try body doubling, especially for boring tasks or those routine maintenance tasks. Number 7, turn up the internal volume. Your voice matters way more than the media you hear outside. Strategy number 8, pay attention to your feelings of discouragement or encouragement. Strategy number 9, take credit for everything you do, no matter how mundane. It all adds up. And strategy number 10, you are in a marathon. You'll be managing your belongings your whole life. Don't give up. Just stick with it and continue making progress. A person can turn around their entire life when they focus on developing their understanding, their insight, their skills, and developing functional systems that work for them. We're cheering you on.